myself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay.
The kitchen Italian pasta basket. All right, there is basket number 2, the fun cocoa cozy sweet basket. So all right, so there we have the peaceful sleep basket to go along with the other 2 baskets. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you 3 gift baskets that I'm putting together as prizes, gifts at my family holiday party, which is tomorrow. So I'm just going to show you each one by one, and then show you how I wrap them up and how they look when they come out. I have one that is like a pasta kitchen type basket. I have one that is a sweets and cocoa type basket, and then I have one that is for a relaxing sleepy time basket. So let's get into the video. All right, so the baskets that I got, they're actually little boxes, and I got these from Michael's. So what I'm gonna do, usually you have that filler that you put in at the bottom of a basket, and you know, it's costly. I didn't end up picking up any filler, but what I am gonna put in there to kind of give the box a base is my shredded paper. So I'll just put some of that stuff in there. So it, you know, it just looks kind of like a filler, right? Cheap, free. This one is going to be the sort of kitchen one, and I have purchased very inexpensive Pioneer Woman kitchen towels. Yeah, they're not Christmassy, but that's okay because they'll be able to use these all year long. So I'm just gonna kind of, you know, fold it a little bit and put it in the basket. And I have some butter toffee peanuts, so I'm going to put those in there. And then I have some pasta, so I'm just going to put those right on top for now. We'll see where I'm going to place everything. So with the pasta, I have some Monte Polino, it's made in Italy, tomato basil sauce, and yeah, it's pretty jar. See, as you go, you start rearranging. I think what I'll do is I'm gonna put this to the side, put these in like that. I will put this may even be like sticking on the top. And I have the sauce. Then I have this really great big bottle of extra virgin olive oil. All right, and I'm gonna put this right there on the side for now. And to go along with the olive oil, I did pick up this little bread dipping set, and I wanted it mostly for the plates, the little dipping plates and the dipping seasonings. It came with some olive oil. I'm just gonna keep that for myself because I already have an olive oil in here, but I'm gonna put the dipping plates and the dipping sauce because when you do pasta, you will usually do bread with it. So they can just get their own bread. You want fresh bread, so they'll be getting their own bread. And then they can dip their bread in this olive oil, use their olive oil and their seasonings. And you know what? They have this plate kind of glued on here with a little bit of that sticky glue type stuff. So that's gonna go in there. And the last thing that's going in this basket is a little oil and vinegar separator. It's really cute. Now, usually when you do spaghetti, you do a salad. So someone who likes oil and vinegar on their salad, this would be great. And then you have your oil in the main part and your vinegar in this little piece. I just thought this was something really cute and different. So that's why I'm putting it here in this basket. So I'm gonna tuck in, see, I have room to tuck in. You're actually looking at the back, but this is the front. And then I will tuck in this, I'll tuck that little oil and vinegar, and I'm gonna now wrap it in cellophane and put a bow on it. And I picked up my cellophane bags from Michael's as well. And these were the large size. I'm just gonna open up my bag. For now, I'm just gonna use this, this curly ribbon to tie it up. I might put bigger bows on it tomorrow, but for now, just to get them closed up. Give it a twist. There we go. And it's a lot here, so I'm just gonna cut this and just kind of cut it on an angle so it looks like it was meant to be like this. Okay, so there we have basket number 1, the kitchen Italian pasta basket. Now this little box is cute. It's got little gnomes on it, very Christmassy, very festive. I'm gonna put some paper in there. All right, now this one, I did buy some kitchen towels. These are Christmassy. And again, I'm just gonna roll these up, tuck them into the back. And this is sweets, cocoa. So I got these beautiful cocoa mugs. They are Christmassy, they're nutcrackers. I'll just tuck these cups in here like this. And then I got cocoa. And I think I'll just tuck those right into the cups. And then I got some cookies, some Walker's shortbread Scotty dog cookies. I got 2 of those. Those will go beautiful with cocoa. So I'll tuck these back here. And then I got some really amazing English muffins. These are raisin English muffins. They're local. They're Portuguese muffins, so they're really big, really dense, and they smell incredible. They're almost like sweetbread, but I don't think they are. Portuguese raisin muffins. But that will be like great in the morning for breakfast. So I'm gonna tuck this in to the bottom here like that. I will kind of raise this mug in the back, and this is just strawberry preserves. So that will go wonderfully with the muffins. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of the paper in the cups to give the cocoa something to stand on. But I think someone would really love to get this basket of sweet treats. Another, great idea. You can tuck in some other things, regular English muffins. You could put in pancake mix and give them real maple syrup. So, the options are endless. And again, you want to make sure it's tight so that nothing's floating around in there. All right, there is basket number 2, the fun cocoa cozy sweet basket. All right, and this last basket is like a sleepy time, relaxation, get ready for bed, cozy basket. So I again have the festive one with the gnomes. I'll put some paper in there. All right, so the first thing that's going in is the biggest thing, and that is the a lavender mineral body wash to get a nice hot shower before bed. And smells wonderful. All right, so that's going in. And keeping with the bath time, this is a beautiful shower steamers, 8 shower tablets, lavender, chamomile, gardenia, and jasmine. So that's gonna smell really nice. So if you're taking a shower before bed, pop one of these steamers in and just get the ambiance and the aroma going in your shower. And before bed, I like to have a cup of relaxing tea. So I did pick up this chamomile and lavender tea. These are all individual little bags of tea. It's got chamomile, lavender, and green tea. So beautiful tea. Get that in there. Then to go along with the tea, I found this beautiful little honey dipper cup kind of thing. It's got a little bee on it. It's so cute. My little honey dipper is going in there. And then I have the honey. This is a eucalyptus honey, 100% pure honey. So that's going in there. And this beautiful mug, teacup really, For the tea, it's lavender. It says French lavender on it. And it has just lavender, and it says Provence, purely Provence. So it's really, really pretty. So I got my cup. And then to get ready for bed, I have a Dr. Teal's sleep spray, Calm Blend Therapy. This you spray on your pillow before bed, and it gives you that lavender. It has melatonin, lavender, and chamomile essential oils. Helps calm the mind for a good night's sleep. So just spray that on your pillow. And then I have a pair of, 2 pairs actually, of cozy lavender socks. Moisture, warm comfort. These lavender infused cozy socks provide foot soothing hydration that will revitalize your feet. And it has a little gripper so you can walk around with these and not be slip sliding all over the place. And the last thing that's gonna go in here, when you are winding down to go to sleep, it's always a great idea to read a book. I got this book from Amazon. It's called Sleepily Ever After, Bedtime Stories for Grown-Ups. Happy endings, uplifting fictions, and tales with a clear moral resolution are for children, we are told. It says, this is where Sleepily After, Bedtime Stories for Grown-Ups comes in. Collecting together classic stories by great writers as well as delightful tales by lesser-known authors. The works in this anthology are by turns touching, upbeat, humorous, and inspiring, and above all, entertaining. Good stories in here that will help you fall asleep in a peaceful, happy way. So, all right, so there we have the Peaceful Sleep basket to go along with the other 2 baskets. So I hope that you've gotten some inspiration to help you put together baskets for your loved ones for gifts this season. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for coming along. I hope your holiday season is going amazing. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.